Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got yet another unboxing. I just want to give another shout out to Big White ADC, bigwhiteadc.com. He sent us over for a review. And yeah, make sure to check out his site. I will leave a link to this product down below. This is the PEI Musketeer. And yeah, also I have a code for bigwhiteadc.com. You can use Daily Dose of Fidgets to get 10% off your entire order at checkout. So yeah, all right, let's get right into this thing. Open here, open here, open here, open here. It's like opening up an iPhone box. All right. Oh, we got some pretty cool tools. Screwdriver, accessories, and a screw, I believe, and then clickers, some stickers. Take these out actually. Stickers, quality certificate. Nice. Gonna put these back in here. Take this out. Nothing else in the box? Nope. Alright, I'm gonna close up the box now. Put that up there. Alright, let's check this bad boy out. I've seen this thing in like stainless steel and all the other colors, materials, on the Facebook groups. Excited to see what this feels like. I thought it would be bigger, to be honest. I don't know why. Alright, let's get into this thing. So here it is. Oh, I like that. Oh my god, I love this thing. It's got like a high-pitched click to it. It's got like a ring after it, if you guys can listen. But yeah, you guys can also like screw some other stuff in here, and it becomes like a spinner on this bottom piece. Let me see if I have this thing though. One sec. I guess not. But yeah, this thing's pretty cool. All right, hey guys, I'm back. Sorry I had to pause recording for a minute, but now I'm back. I forget totally where I was at, but I'm gonna start off with weighing this thing. I don't think I did that. This is 29 grams. Great. Turn that off. 29 grams. It is fully PEI. This part's not, this part's not, and then these buttons. But other than that, it's fully PEI. Like I was saying, it's got a nice little click to it, like a ring after the clicks. I love these buttons on the top too. Yeah, this would be a great desk fidget for me. I'm gonna put like this in the corner of my desk to play with. Let's see what the sound is like. Let's see first the these are 63. So yeah, pretty nice. It's just like loud on these clicks, but other than that, it's pretty quiet. But yeah, pretty cool. I think, yeah, I dig it. It's really unique desk fidget. Haven't seen anything like this before. Again, you guys can get this thing down below on bigwhiteedc.com. All the links will be down below to his Facebook, to his site, and you guys can use my code DailyDoseOfFidgets to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, that'll be all. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, turn on the notifications, and see you guys in the next video.